Hello, my dear soap makers. I am Bubbly, and today we will make this amazing soap that can change its color. For this soap, we need a very transparent soap base, and I recommend that you use this one. ZENICOLORs. MaxiLowsweat-C is very transparent, does not dry skin, provides good foam, is resistant to sweating, and loses very little weight. For one piece of soap, we will need about 130 grams of soap base, which we need to cut into cubes, check the weight, and leave for a while. To make this soap, we will also need non-bleeding transparent soap colors from the kit ZENICOLOR 5 and a free web application, ZENIMIXER, that will allow us to simulate the color before we make the soap. Go to ZENIMIXER.com, where you will find a link to this application in the description of this video, and by moving the controls, we set the color that we like using the colors from the kit. We got dark green. Now I will explain how we will achieve such an effect so that the soap changes its color. Let's look at the diagram. We will pour this soap in as many as 5 layers. If you look, the 2 outer layers are blue, the 2 layers below them are yellow, and the layer in the middle is purple. So when we use this soap, the blue color will go away first. Then the yellow color will gone. And it will remain pink. And in this diagram, you can clearly see how the colors go away and how the color of the soap changes. Look, the ZENICOLOR 5 kit includes a 5 colors and a measuring card. And we only need 3 of them, blue, purple, and yellow. Now we have to measure out onto the card the amount of colors that we made in the ZENIMIXER web application. And by the way, I recommend that while maintaining the proportion, take a smaller amount of colors because the concentration of pigments is quite high. If you take more color, the soap will be too dark. The colors are ready, and now let's melt the base. Add whatever fragrance you want to it. Mix thoroughly, overspray it of ethyl alcohol. Now we need to divide this base into 3 parts. 2 parts of approximately 50 grams and 1 part of approximately 30 grams, and add color to each part. Please note that you have to add purple to the smallest part, that is 30 grams. The colors must be thoroughly mixed until completely dissolved. If the base cools down, you can warm it up a little in the microwave. This will not damage it at all. Everything is ready, and now we take the mold and begin to fill it layer by layer, not forgetting to overspray alcohol both on the mold and on the soap base. Of course, the layer has to get solid before you pour the next one. Well, finally, our soap has hardened, and all we have to do is get it out of the mold. Now let's enjoy how this soap works, how it changes color. Look, isn't it wonderful? In the beginning, it's dark green, then it gradually becomes khaki color, then turns orange, then red. And at the very end, when the piece is very small, it will be a rose. This is really amazing soap. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Stay with us on the channel Bubbly's Club. Subscribe and like, and we will make wonderful, interesting videos for you. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.